In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80073cf6. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Store apps. Navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on Settings. At the settings, please use the search bar here at the left side. Type for Windows Space Store. Then wait until you can see this find and fix problems with Windows Store apps. Click on it and please click on next so that you can run the troubleshooter. Wait until this procedure would be finished, and once you are done with this, I want you to restart your computer so that you can complete the procedure. So check if the error has been resolved, and if not, then I want you to open the settings again. You need to navigate at the Windows Update, and here at the Windows Update section, click for check for updates or resume updates and then update your computer to the latest version, okay? By that, you would be able to fix the problem and might as well make improvements on your device, okay? The next solution that you can do is that you need to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together. Type for ws reset.exe. Click on the OK button. And then in this way, you'd be able to resolve that. Okay. So wait until this procedure would be finished and check if the error has been fixed. Okay. However, if the issue still persists, then we need to run some CMD commands. So by that, I want you to navigate at the button search bar, type for CMD, and then wait until you can see a best match, which is the command prompt system. Okay. So from that, click on Run as Administrator. And then from here, I want you to copy and paste that to the command prompt, okay? Copy and paste it one by one. Once you are done with the second, paste it here to the second, and then wait until this procedure would be finished. Restart your computer and you're good to go. So if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.